Okay, where are you headed?
I have to go up the mast to get the triatic stay, which is the dyneema line that connects the main mast top to the top of the mizzen mast. I have to put the turnbuckle on, then tie a string to it. Then I got to come down and go to the mizzen mast and go up the mizzen mast, pull the triatic over to me and see if we can't figure out a way to hook it up. It's too short to go where I want it to go. So in the worst case scenario, I got to at least take some measurements so I can see what I need to have to fix that problem. So how many of you want to go up the mast with me? Maybe, you know, Tammy says no. I would like somebody to go up the mast instead of me. I don't mind going up it. I really don't mind the heights, and I don't mind being on this. It's just a lot of work. Because she's not winching me up. I'm using the ATN Mast Climber, which you kind of like inchworm up. It's got ascenders. You push this in to go up, and then when you put your weight on it, it actually pinches it in to the halyard so that it can't come down. Right?
You get your feet in there?
Maybe. Woohoo! Cotter pin thing in, the wrench in, and the pliers in.
Todd prefers to wear long pants and closed-toed shoes with socks that cover his ankles while using this system. Inevitably, he'll end up banging his knees and ankles against the mast, and this gives him some semblance of protection.
What you doing? I'm a blueberry.
Waiting for Dad to get ready to go up the mast.
This hammock is huge. I'm a blueberry. See, I'm a blueberry. Look how far I can stretch it. Mama, it's supposed to be a double hammock. I think it's a triple hammock. It's very big. I'm a blueberry. Hi, Denali. Dad's getting his strap. Denali really enjoys the yellow one.
Dad's getting ready to go back up.
Everyone, Denali, you're over there. And I'm just here. All alone. And that's my parents. Say hi, Dad. Over there.
Dad's busy thinking.
Okay, so let's go ahead and complete that off.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
We have homeschooled all 10 of our children. Learning comes naturally if you help them along with a few tools and a chance to be bored once in a while.
Q? What animal has the letter Q in it?
Top of the mizzen mast. Let me show you what I'm trying to do. I got to get that triatic right there to hook to here or up on top. And it is short by that much. So the question is, can I pull this off? I got this or I got this.
It was originally attached on top, but it's 40 years old, corroded, and we believe it is compromised and would prefer not to use it.
Still gotta put that sucker about 4 inches short right there, huh? But this is temporary, but it's not very tight. Well, I can turn the turnbuckle, but it turns the whole thing. I gotta hold that still. If I had a long crescent wrench, I might could, but then I gotta let go. I gotta use 2 hands. All right, everybody. This is what I got for temporary. I'm not. You know, Tammy's been doing the splicings and the lashings. I have not. So I didn't brush up on the book on how to do this before I came up here, because I wasn't expecting to have to lash, but I did. It should last a few days until we get figured out a better system of how we're going to attach this. So I'm going to have to jump over to plan B for how to finish this off. Until then, I guess I just like coming up the mast. One more time with the beautiful view. Isn't it awesome? What?
Plan.
I'm coming down, baby.
Alright.
Take my glasses for a minute. That just sprayed me!
I don't want, you have to be very, very careful that you don't tip that over while you're sitting there. Right there by your hands. See it?
Happy?
No.
I'm ready to go.
So, what are you in such a hurry to leave for?
I need to help Dad with the wiring.
Okay.
Sure. I need the hose.
Alright, you ready? Alright, we're gonna bring you around the corner, right? Hold on.
Don't knock me off. Oh, I see dirty stuff on the mat. I can't even make a smiley face out of it.
Let me pull you back.
Watch your fingers. Don't be too close to your fingers.
I know. I'm trying.
Closed on the sides, you're good.
I think so.
What does it say?
For now.
Port nav lights for the front. Good job.
Hello, I am doing a demonstration of what I did to help. So here I have a demonstration label. It says my name because Dad printed it. So right here it says, you can really see it right here. That's where you cut it. So I cut it there. I have the label. I have this piece. There we go. I pull this piece off right here and I stick it. I stick it on like this. And then I pull the next piece off and finish sticking. This heat shrink, and I would put it on like this over the label and shrink it with the heat gun so the label stays. And that's my demonstration. Goodbye. Mom, I'm running out of salt.
Abigail's doing a great job, and at this point we're both soaking wet and covered in soapy water. But boy, what a difference this is making.
We want these to be heat shrunk pretty good because they're going to be up in the chain locker area where there's a lot of salt water, and unfortunately we might have to move this whole connection, but I'm leaving the wires long enough to try to do that. The problem is I have to have them routed around the sides so that the chain can't catch the wires when it's going into the hole. And I don't think that starboard nav light had a long enough wire. I think it ends right here. Okay.
Your back is sweaty.
My back is very sweaty, very sweaty. Does that help?
Oh, that's so much better. My hair is going everywhere. Anyway, it is very hot. My father is coming back. Hello.
Hello. Alright. We're going to put Corrosion X on this because it's up in the chain locker. Alright.
Let's see.
Good amount.
Ew, it stinks.
Yeah. So, now we're going to have to go pull this thing back tight. Can you go pull that kind of tight for me?
Yep. From all the way from
Yep.
the end?
Yep.
Whoa!
I'm holding wire. Really? Goodness, Hammond, goodness. Can I go on that side?
Do you think you can get over here?
You're wet.
Yeah, she is.
Did you fall in?
Nope.
Come on,
spray. Mom sprayed you? You need help getting up?
Yeah, she's just gonna try and get up. She needs a break.
Yeah, watch your knees. How's it going?
We are almost done. We only have the front part. Should we make Liberty do the rest?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to feed this through to you, and you're going to feed it through to the other closet. Right, now, let me grab it on my fingers, okay? I'm going to come on the other side and see if I can pull it all the way through. Okay, very good. Alright, before we go any further, do you want to label this with a heat shrink?
Yeah. So.
Okay, rear, R-E-A-R, space, N-A-V, space, light, L-I-G-H-T, print. There we go, rear nav light, okay. Alright.
There we go. This is actually really cool because it like shrinks it.
Coming.
Good.
Alright, so now is your favorite part.
My favorite part.
Yeah, because now you get to climb into the rear locker. That's what happens when you're small. Up the ladder.
It feels so nice out here.
So I'm going to clear this out of the way.
Bob!
Yep, that's where Bob is hiding.
This is Bob. Our buoy.
That's our man overboard practice buoy, right?
Yeah.
Up in that front corner, I'm going to stick the wire out, and you're going to pull it as far as you can, and we'll just lay it in there, okay? I think that's way too much. All right, so what I want you to do is kind of sit on that right there, or hold that.
He's gonna pull all this down inside, so I'm sitting on the part you cannot pull. Okay. Yeah.
Now just kind of wind that up and set it down right in that back corner, and then we'll put those buoys back in, okay?
Okay. Okay, now I gotta put Bob and his friends back. I hope I can get everyone in here. Oh my goodness. All right, Bob. This is Bob, and he's gonna go back inside his home with all his friends. Don't worry, I'm not harming Bob. That was loud. Okay. Hello, Father.
Hello, Mother. I am calling from Camp Granada.
What are you doing?
I'm reading instructions. Have you ever seen me do that before?
No.
What?
The keys in the car. I gotta
I think the keys are in it, dear. What you say she needed to do?
Shower?
Hey, here, give her this. That's to lock it, if she wants to lock it.
Dad, Mom. Tell me my backpack, Liberty. Okay, goodbye. Have fun in the shower. All right, Denali, you want to come downstairs?
Are we done?
Okay, you're done.
Careful. Did you finish washing the boat?
Yeah.
All done? Then what did you have to do? Go take a shower and get all that soap off of you?
And then go to the gas station. I did wiring and I'm still covered in fiberglass.
Yeah, you're gonna need a shower at home, huh?
And go to the gas station and I got this for my hard work. Yeah, and I did hard work and still didn't get nothing.
Didn't she buy that with her own money?
Yeah, but still.
You got something, you got a drink.
She also got a drink.
Don't you have money?
Dad loves me. No.
You don't have money?
I have $1.
You have $1. You guys gotta work a little harder and earn some money, huh?
Yeah.
We got jobs coming up next week.
You think they like my You think they liked my demonstration?
I bet they loved it.
You should pay us to clean out the sides of the boat when they get dirty again.
Well, when we get out where you can clean the bottom, I'll pay to clean the bottom, okay?
No.
$20 each.
Okay, that's a deal.
$50 each.
Nope. Alright. Sun is setting. It's beautiful. And the boat looks amazing. Abigail is pretty proud of herself. She did a really good job. Liberty was way afraid of getting on that paddleboard and falling off, so she helped Todd today. So it's been a fun day. We will see you next Sunday. Bye.